Picture this, a snowy intersection. Suddenly, two cars collide, causing chaos and confusion. It's a terrifying collision that highlights the dangers of driving in snowy conditions. As if that wasn't enough, a speeding sedan on a snowy expressway loses control, crashing into another car. The impact is jarring, showing just how crucial it is to slow down and drive cautiously in wintry weather. But not all hope is lost. A black car skids on a snow-covered road, but the skilled driver regains control just in time. It's a moment of relief, a reminder that staying calm and composed behind the wheel can make all the difference. Just when you think the danger has passed, a station wagon car ignores a signal at an intersection, narrowly escaping a devastating collision. It serves as a sobering reminder that obeying traffic laws is vital, even in difficult weather conditions. But sometimes, the danger comes from unexpected sources. A car in front carelessly reverses without checking, colliding with the unsuspecting car behind. This reckless act highlights the importance of being aware of our surroundings at all times. In a final shocking turn of events, a road rage incident between two vehicles escalates. Both cars veer off the road and plunge into a ditch. It's a stark reminder that aggression has no place on snowy roads, as it only leads to disaster. Remember, these scenes depict real dangers on snowy roads and serve as a warning to all drivers. Stay vigilant, drive cautiously, and make wise decisions to keep yourself and others safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable information.
这什么情况啊，老婆？
啊，快呀，我头都出来了，
哎，
滑动了。
不要看了吗？
时时刻。
前面呢，过了前面那个路